Today I'm gonna do a review of the HEXCLAD pans. I bought this over a month ago. Pumunta akong Costco. We were supposed to just buy a roast chicken and we came out buying this HEXCLAD pans. Magaling yung sales stock sa akin nung nagbebenta. So, and the only reason I bought it was because wala pa akong gantong design na pan. But it is really a happy purchase, even if it's an unplanned purchase. But although it is a happy purchase, you may want to listen to the entire video because like anything else, nothing is perfect. May imperfections din siya. So we will also discuss that. First, let's discuss the sizing. This is a 7-piece set. May 12-inch wok and the 12-inch pan. And then there's the 10-inch pan and the 8-inch pan. The 8-inch pan and the 10-inch pan, they both have lids. But the 12-inch wok and the 12-inch pan, they share one lid. So, isa lang ang lid na yan. Now, HEXCLAD ang tawag sa kanya because of the hexagon design. Can you see that? So, there's this hexagon design that combines the stainless steel and the non-stick feature of the pan. So, that's what they call the hybrid versatility. And then, of course, the handles and the rim of each pan, they're stainless steel. So now I inverted this pan. The back of the pan is also HEXCLAD or hexagon in design. So ganun din. Parang ang pwede ka rin magluto dito sa back ng pan na to eh. Exactly the same construction as the cooking part of the pan. So since I've had these pans for over a month now, nagamit ko na siya several times. For this 8-inch pan, this is best for pancakes, for your fried eggs. For this 10-inch pan, I cooked regular size steak here, scrambled eggs, and then of course the 12-inch pan. Recently I cooked the roasted garlic crab. I cooked it here, which probably I should have cooked on this in this 12-inch wok. Medyo nasikipan ako when I was cooking the roasted garlic crabs in that pan, but it still did the trick. Naluto ko pa rin, masarap pa rin yung niluto ko. It's a 7-piece set that comes with 3 pans and 1 wok and 3 lids. If you buy them individually and then you add them all up, you'd be ending up paying $527 for all of them. Now, I bought this in Costco and it was, I bought them all for $349 plus tax. So that was on sale, kaya nga nabentahan ako ng mama dahil magaling siya mag-sales stock dahil mapapamura daw ako. Now, a lot has been said about this pans being easy to clean, and it is true, it is easy to clean, but of course, like any other pan, you really gotta be cleaning it well to keep this in this condition. Kasi kung hindi, you'll still see mga stains gathering, at the rim dahil syempre you cooked with oil, and if you don't clean it well, you don't want it accumulating na mahihirapan na kayo maglinis eventually. And also, because they have the same construction in the cooking portion and at the back, you will really hardly notice if there's some, stains developing already until you really look closely. And I do look closely kasi gusto ko malinis yung mga pans ko. But if you don't, then it will accumulate eventually. I think this will become dark also and stained by constant use. So this is what I'm talking about. See? Do you see those stains? Yan, hindi ko nakita na meron pala yan. So hindi ko nalinis maigi. But the good thing is, it's really easy to clean them using the right cleanser. And what I use is the Barkeeper's Friend, which always in any stainless steel product, that's why I use, and it's very easy to remove those kind of stains. But as you can see, di ba ang ganda-ganda nila? So especially pag nagvi-video ako ng cooking videos ko on YouTube, when I focus on the pan, and people actually notice the HEXCLAD pan and not the dish that I'm cooking. So nakakagana talaga to cook with them. And then especially they have this stay cool handles. All the handles, they never get hot if you do regular cooking. They only get hot, of course, if you put them straight to the oven. And dahil very versatile siya, na you can use it on the stove and then you can put it straight in the oven. It's so beautiful also na you can also use it as a serving dish sa table. So kung kayo ang cook sa bahay nyo and then kayo din ang dishwasher, it'll be happy to know na kukunti lang ang huhugasan nyo dahil Iisa lang ang pan na ginamit nyo from the time you cooked, from the time you baked, and then you used it also as a serving dish. And then, kung meron naman talaga kayong dishwasher na ginagamit nyo, it is also dishwasher safe. You know, I have bought some pans na hindi pwede sa dishwasher. This one, you can use it in the dishwasher. So how cool is that? Now, I don't have an induction stove, but they say that these pans are induction ready. Also, they are metal utensil safe. So, pwede nyong gamitin to unlike other non-stick pans na bawal gamitin yung mga metal utensils kasi masascratch sila. Ito pwede nyong gamitin to. In fact, pwede nga kayong gumamit ng steel wool para linisin sila. Now, one of the feature that HEXCLAD pans has is they have excellent temperature control. I don't know, when I have a new pan, so it's there's a learning curve, you know, kung kailangan ba silang mainit na mainit or kailangan bang konting init lang ng stove nyo and it will do the trick. So you just gotta learn the pan, and I found out that it cooks well between medium and high heat. Another feature that HEXCLAD brags about is that they have no harsh chemical coating. Well, I don't know, I'm not a chemist, I'm not about to test it, so it's good to know that there are no harsh chemicals, but there is no way for me to, to prove that. What's nice about the HEXCLAD pans is they come with this, you know, textile sack. So pag tinago mo sila, lalagayin mo lang sila dito. And, you know, it stores it well, it protects it from scratch. And lastly, let's talk again about pricing. So, kasi madalas, it's about the price, you know, bago tayo bumili. Mahal ba siya or mura ba siya? Well, kung mahal or mura, that's really relative eh. I have purchased a set of pans that cost over $3,000 and I had to pay for them for a year. And this one is a set of 4 pans with 3 lids, and it cost me $350 plus tax. You know, I'm equally happy using this and using the $3,000 pan. So I think this is a reasonable purchase, and I would gladly buy it for someone as a gift. To me, the test of an item being worthwhile is when I'm willing to give it to someone as a gift. Kasi alam ko, matutuwa sila sa item na yon because I was happy with that product as well. So that is it. Bibili ba kayo? Kung bibili kayo, go ahead. I am sure you'll be happy with it. Kung medyo namamahalan kayo, nakita ko online na they have a payment plan. So if you want to buy it and yet you can't really afford to pay $350 at once, meron naman silang payment plan. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you want to watch more, I'm sure one of my latest videos are flashing, and I will see you on my next video. Peace!